Well, the rains just were incessant and my tree is down. Yeah, not so happy. I love this tree, really love this tree. And somehow these rains managed to break my tree. Sad day for tree lovers. This is what happened overnight. Just waking up to this. It's gone. But well, we will see what else we can do here. There's a new one coming up. We have to work with that. I do have more trees, the same one, but I like this one more. I really like this one. See, I even had built around it nicely, but hey, the pain of heavy rains and windy weather